Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF link in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you want to share documents, reports, or resources directly within your spreadsheet without cluttering it with attachments. Let's walk through this together. Step by step. First, you need to go to Google Drive and upload your PDF there. This is essential because Google Sheets can only link to files that are accessible online, and Google Drive provides the perfect hosting solution for this. If you haven't uploaded your PDF yet, simply drag and drop it into your Google Drive folder or use the upload button. In this example, I already have a PDF file in my Google Drive, so we can move forward quickly. Locate the PDF file you want to link to in your Drive. Once you found it, right-click on that PDF file and click Share. This will open up the sharing settings, then click Share again to access the full sharing options menu. Now, here's a critical step. Make sure that under General Access, it is set to anyone with the link. This ensures that anyone you share your Google Sheet with will be able to access the PDF without needing special permissions. You can also adjust whether recipients are a viewer, commenter, or editor depending on what level of access you want them to have to the PDF. For most cases, viewer is perfectly adequate. Once you're done configuring these settings, click Copy Link. This copies the shareable URL to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into your Google Sheet. Then go to your Google Sheets document where you want to add this link. Open the specific sheet and navigate to the area where you want the link to appear. Now click any cell where you'd like to place the PDF link and press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the PDF link. The full URL will appear in the cell, and while this works functionally, it doesn't look very clean or professional. Now you can click again on the cell and click the pencil icon to edit the PDF link. This icon appears when you select a cell containing a hyperlink, and it allows you to customize how the link is displayed. Now you can give a label or text to that link, so input a text that clearly describes what the PDF contains, like project report or budget document, and click Apply. This replaces the long, messy URL with clean, readable text that still functions as a clickable link. And there you have it. You've successfully added a PDF link to your Google Sheets that's both functional and professionally presented. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.